Hi, I'm Charles Carter with Case H. Today we're going to be talking about early riser planter row marker maintenance and settings. First thing to ensure with your row markers is that you're greasing them daily. You have grease fittings located at your fold points here, here, and also on the back side. Ensure those are greased properly for longevity of the markers. Secondly, ensure that your shear bolts are tight and have not been damaged from hitting an obstacle. First day of planting, you're also going to want to ensure that your marker arm is properly set for your planter width. This will ensure that your markers are accurate on width so you have the proper mark to follow when using them. Also, for your marker arm disc, you have the ability to adjust the angle of this disc to meet your ground conditions, whether it be no-till conditions where you may need to set this more aggressively, or a conventional tillage situation where it's not going to have to be as aggressive to leave the mark you need to see where you're at. If you have any additional questions on your maintenance or operation of your markers, please consult your operator's manual or contact your local Case IH dealer.